Okay, so welcome to part two of creating reports in C Sharp. On the first report, I'll simply dumping all the data from the SQL table onto the report, and now let's pass in some parameters. So as you can see currently, if I run the report, what I get here is a complete list of all the vendors in my SQL table. Okay, I got 3 pages of vendors here. So let's add some filtering to this. Okay. To add filtering, what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click the data set, and then right here under table adapter, I'm going to right click and click configure. If you know a little bit of SQL right here, it'll really help you. You can play around with some settings. So I'm going to put a where clause in here, and I'm going to say what do we want? Let's do vendor state. So let's say where vendor state is going to equal at vendor state. The at vendor state is just a variable. This could easily be at x. You know, it doesn't matter. I'm just calling vendor state because it's easier to understand. So I'm going to click next, and finish. And now if I try to run the report, I'm going to get an error. You see my error in there? And it's saying that my fill method here is missing a parameter. So if I put a comma in here, it's going to ask for the string vendor state. So I'm just going to put here California for now. And then let me run the report again. So now when I run the report, I only get vendors that are in California. See, now I have 2 pages and only vendors in California. Let's say if we want to get vendors in, I don't know, Arizona, I'm going to run the report one more time. And then I should only get vendors that are in Arizona. And I have 3 vendors for Arizona, just 1 page. Of course, the user doesn't have access to your code during runtime, so this is very inconvenient. So let's go ahead and change the form really quick here. I think I'm going to have to undock this. I'm going to undock it. And then you should just, design your form in the best way you want. I'm just going to make it quick and dirty here. And so in my button here, I'm going to put this code. I'm going to move it from there to here. And then in here, instead of hard coding the argument, I'm going to put my text box 1.text. Text box 1.text. And so let me go ahead and then run the report one more time. You see that I get nothing right now. I simply get the report viewer object until I put in a parameter and I press the button one here. The report won't be generated. So now you can see that I get my vendors with California on it, and then let's take a look at Arizona. I'm going to put AZ. I'm going to press the button again. Did you see how quick that was? I didn't get a generating report again. What's really happening is that when the data set got loaded by the fill statement, by the fill method, I got all the data into that vendor data table, and all I'm doing right now is applying a filter to it. Let's see what else I have. I think I have Ohio. So I have some more here. Let's see, what else? Florida. See, very quick. So that's it. That's how to add parameters to your report. Just changing the data table. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.